Hey folks, welcome to our channel. You're in for something special today. A journey into the world of habits that could shake things up in your life. It's not going to be a boring lecture, think of it as a friendly chat. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some eye-opening insights that might just change the way you look at your daily routines. So let's dive straight into it. What if you could change your life by changing your habits? Intriguing, isn't it? Every day, we carry out a myriad of routines unconsciously. These routines, also known as habits, shape our lives more than we realize. They influence our productivity, health, happiness, and overall personal growth. Let's delve into the science of habits. Each habit you have follows a three-step pattern: cue, routine, reward. This is known as the habit loop. The cue is the trigger that initiates the behavior, the routine is the behavior itself, and the reward is the benefit gained from doing the behavior. Understanding your habit loop is the first step towards changing negative habits. By identifying the cues and rewards driving your habits, you can consciously adjust your routines, replacing bad habits with good ones. This process of transformation is not just about breaking old patterns, but also about creating new ones that drive us towards personal growth. The power to change your life lies in understanding your habit loop. Ever heard of the phrase, "Rome wasn't built in a day"? It perfectly illustrates the power of tiny changes. When we look at the grandeur of Rome, we see the cumulative result of small, consistent efforts. The same principle applies to our habits. A single change, as small as it may seem, can set off a cascade of effects, much like a line of dominoes. One tiny push, and the whole line falls. Consider this. If you were to improve by just 1% each day, the effects would compound over time, leading to a nearly 37-fold improvement by the end of a year. That's the power of tiny changes. It's not about making a massive sudden shift, but rather about making small, manageable adjustments that add up over time. So don't underestimate the impact of those tiny tweaks. They might seem insignificant in the moment, but remember, great things are not done by impulse, but by a series of small things brought together. How about combining habits to make them more efficient and easier to maintain? Welcome to the world of habit stacking. This intriguing concept is all about merging activities that are compatible and linking them together to form a routine. Think of it as a sort of choreography for your daily tasks. For instance, you might pair brushing your teeth with listening to a motivational podcast. Or perhaps while your coffee brews each morning, you could meditate or jot down your goals for the day. The key is to identify tasks that naturally fit together and then weave them into a seamless routine. Habit stacking simplifies the process of developing new habits and can significantly improve productivity. It takes advantage of the powerful neural pathways that our brains use to make certain actions almost automatic. When we stack habits, we're not just getting more done, we're also making the most of our brain's natural tendencies. Habit stacking, a simple yet powerful tool for personal growth. Are you aware of how much your environment influences your habits? It's quite astounding when you think about it. Our surroundings play a monumental role in shaping our behavior. The spaces we inhabit, the people we interact with, even the objects we surround ourselves with, all have a say in our habit formation. Consider this. You're striving to read more. If you keep a book on your bedside table, you're more likely to pick it up before you sleep, aren't you? That's environment at work. Or let's say you're trying to eat healthier. If you stock your fridge with fruits and veggies instead of junk food, you're setting yourself up for success. Your environment can be your ally or your enemy in your quest for personal growth. It can either nudge you towards your goals or pull you away from them. So if you're looking to change your habits, remember, to change your habits, first change your environment. How can you ensure that you're progressing in your journey of personal growth? The answer is tracking. Now you might ask, why is tracking so important? Well, it's simple. Tracking allows you to see your progress in real time. It's a tangible way to witness the fruits of your labor. As you track your habits, you'll be able to see how far you've come, and this can be incredibly motivating. Imagine you're trying to form a new habit, say, reading for half an hour each day. At first, it might seem like a daunting task. But as you track your progress, marking off each successful day, you'll start to see a chain of success. And the best part? You won't want to break that chain. In essence, tracking your progress keeps you accountable and encourages you to stick to your new habits. It's a powerful tool in your personal growth arsenal. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. Scene script: Ever wondered why some people seem to achieve their goals effortlessly while others struggle? The secret lies in their mindset. You see, there are two types of mindsets we can have. The first is a fixed mindset, where we believe our abilities are set in stone. "I'm just not good at this," or "I'll never be able to do that," are common phrases you'll hear from someone with a fixed mindset. This mindset is a trap. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy that limits our potential. On the other hand, we have the growth mindset. This is where we believe that our abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. It's the belief that we can improve, that we can learn, and that we can overcome challenges. The growth mindset is the bedrock of personal growth and habit formation. It's the belief that we can change, that we can become better, that drives us to form new habits and stick to them. Think about it. If you truly believe you can't change, why would you even try to form a new habit? But if you believe you can change, if you believe you can become a better version of yourself, then you'll be motivated to take those small steps every day towards your goal. Belief, then, is like fuel for our habit formation engine. It's what keeps us going when we face setbacks. It's what helps us get up when we stumble. It's what pushes us to keep trying, to keep learning, to keep growing. And the beautiful thing about belief is that it's a habit in itself. The more we believe in our abilities to change and grow, the stronger that belief becomes. It's a positive feedback loop that propels us forward. So, how do you cultivate this habit of belief? It starts with a conscious decision. A decision to believe in your potential, to believe in your ability to change, to believe in the power of your habits. The most important habit of all is the habit of belief. Believe in yourself, and you can change your life. And that's our journey through the world of habits, inspired by some of the most insightful books on the subject. Always keep in mind that habits are the stepping stones to personal growth. By embracing these principles and strategies, you hold the keys to transforming your life, one habit at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into personal development. Until next time, keep building those positive habits and watch your life flourish.